Hey guys, this is Saqib. Welcome to BdThemes widget tutorial. This time I'll talk about the Snap Timeline widget developed by Ultimate Post Kit for bloggers. The Snap Timeline widget is a unique blogging widget that displays posts with a time tree. The idea is to let your visitors through a neatly arranged blog sequence. Let's see how this widget works. First, drag and drop the widget inside your page using Elementor page editor. You can take a look at the whole structure of the content by scrolling down. Let's try squeezing the content width to the minimum from the section settings. On the layout section, you will see the content position option on top. Changing the alignment will take effect on the texts. Let's try some combinations first. Of course, you can display posts on both sides of the time tree or in a single line. Reverting the changes in the content width from the section setting. Also, positioning the posts on both sides, same as before. The start-stop pointers can be turned off using this switcher here. Let's make them visible again. Notice no post has any image. Turn on the image switcher to make them appear above the titles. You can change the image size according to your required resolution. There are more switchers for turning on or off specific elements from the timeline. For example, let's turn off the text switcher. See? There are no longer any text under the titles. You can display live time difference using the human different time switcher. The Snap Timeline also has paginations. Just click the button. From the query section, you can adjust the number of posts on the display. Let's try lowering the count for instance. Again, you can take the advantage of the Include/Exclude option. By the Include option, click on the field and select Terms. Then on the field below, type the name, then select the category. Now, the Snap Timeline will only display 2 posts here. Again, we can manually exclude posts from the display. After that, type the name of the target posts. Hit Enter and see the post disappear instantly. After that, there are some sorting options for the Timeline widget. Moving on to the Style tab, the first thing you get to do is to customize the timeline bar. Let's change the color first. Then customize the color for the numbers. Background goes green, text go white. Let's adjust the border radius too. Same green for the border color. Lastly, change the color of the start-end pointers too. Apply a matching border radius. Notice the title has a red color hovering effect. We need to change that and change the hover color to green. Also, add an hover style among the 4 we have here. To finish it off, apply some border radius to the images. Sweet! Your Snap Timeline is ready to display. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.